The Chinese company UBTech Robotics decided to congratulate its female employees on International Women's Day in a very original way. Their latest humanoid robots, Walker S, delivered flowers to their human colleagues, showcasing their abilities in interacting with people and performing service tasks. Walker S is a bipedal humanoid robot capable of autonomous navigation and interaction with its surroundings. The robot can perform tasks that require precision and accuracy, such as delivering objects, engaging with people, and assisting in service operations. Walker S is designed for use in various industries, including automotive manufacturing and logistics, aiming to automate processes and improve efficiency. UBTech Robotics plans mass production of Walker S, with deliveries ranging from 500 to 1,000 units, indicating the company's ambition to make it more accessible to different enterprises. UBTech Robotics humanoid robots demonstrate incredible potential in the service industry and human interaction, especially in the context of festive events such as International Women's Day. The well-known Japanese manufacturer of ultra-realistic female robots IronTech Doll has unveiled a new generation of its stunning robotic women ahead of International Women's Day. According to the company's engineers, these robots are almost indistinguishable from real women, except that they do not require gifts. The price of these robots typically amounts to several $1,000s, making them accessible in the high-quality realistic robot doll segment. The robot dolls are made of thermoplastic elastomer, providing softness and a lifelike feel to the touch. Some models are equipped with the latest skeletal structure featuring movable fingers, allowing the robotic doll to assume more natural poses. Buyers can choose from various options, including skin type, skeletal structure, and other customizable features, to create a robot that best matches their personal preferences. The company Boston Dynamics continues to actively test the new version of its robot named Atlas 2.0. Recently, the company's engineers shared new footage from the tests, demonstrating that the robot could be incredibly useful in industrial and construction sectors. The new robot is fully electric, with engineers removing all hydraulic components. According to company specialists, the second generation of Atlas robots has become even faster and more agile. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Atlas independently grasps, lifts, carries, and places objects of various shapes, sizes, and weights using its manipulators. For larger objects, the robot uses both hands to grab and transport them. This year, the robot is planned to be deployed at a factory of an undisclosed company, where it will replace part of the human workforce. We will continue to follow the development of Boston Dynamics robotic humanoids. The updated humanoid robot Kaleido 8 from the Japanese company Kawasaki Heavy Industries recently made a public appearance. This robot represents the 8th iteration in the Kaleido series, showcasing significant progress in its development. Standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms, Kaleido 8 is perfectly suited for working in human environments, with 32 degrees of freedom that enable it to perform a wide range of movements. Kaleido 8 can lift weights of up to 60 kilograms, significantly exceeding the capabilities of an untrained human. It is equipped with built-in batteries for autonomous operation and force sensors in its ankles, allowing the robot to walk upright without external assistance. Thanks to its cameras and sensors, the robot can also recognize objects. These improvements make Kaleido 8 a promising assistant in disaster-stricken areas, as well as in caregiving for elderly individuals and patients in need of assistance. America is challenging China and entering the race to create the most advanced robotic humanoid. Recently, the American company DexMate AI introduced its latest robot named Vega. Vega is equipped with high-performance manipulators designed to simplify complex tasks. They enable the execution of a wide range of operations requiring both precision and strength. Its foldable torso and arm construction provide flexibility and adaptability in various working conditions. The Vega robot is available for pre-order at a price of $89,999. It is designed for performing complex manipulation tasks, making it valuable in industries such as logistics, manufacturing, and service. DexMate AI is an American company specializing in the development of robotic solutions with a focus on creating robots with high manipulation capabilities. Their goal is to overcome existing limitations in robotics and provide solutions for tasks requiring advanced dexterity and adaptability. Another Chinese humanoid robot named Quavo has recently mastered martial arts. Developed by Leju Robotics, the robot stands 166 centimeters tall and weighs 55 kilograms. It is equipped with 40 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and precision in movement. For spatial orientation, Quavo uses a LiDAR, a binocular depth camera, and a 6-microphone array, allowing it to interact effectively with its environment. These sensors enable precise navigation, autonomous obstacle avoidance, and the ability to explain exhibits at fixed points. The robot is powered by 2 lithium batteries with a capacity of 6 ampere-hours each, providing up to 24 hours of standby operation. The integration of multimodal models, such as Huawei Pangu, allows users to train the robot with a single button press. Recently, Quavo demonstrated its martial arts skills by performing elements of Chinese Kung Fu. A humanoid robot named Adam recently showcased impressive dance skills, joining its mechanical counterparts in mastering the art of dance. Developed by the Chinese company P&B Robotics, Adam is a highly biomimetic robot capable of performing smooth and natural movements. Standing at 167 centimeters tall and weighing approximately 60 to 62 kilograms, it is equipped with 25 to 41 degrees of freedom, providing high mobility and flexibility. P&B Robotics has developed unique quasi-direct drives with force control, which are implemented in 25 points across Adam's body, granting it remarkable agility. The robot's biomimetic torso design allows it to precisely mimic human movements through a sophisticated system of artificial muscles and tendons working in synergy with modular actuators. Adam is capable of recognizing objects, planning movement trajectories, and interacting with items of various sizes and shapes. The Chinese company Limex Dynamics has showcased the progress of its multifunctional bipedal robot Tron, which demonstrates impressive mobility skills on challenging terrain. Recently, the robot has learned to efficiently overcome obstacles and perform jumps. In one of the tests, Tron demonstrated its ability to climb stairs and then jump down while maintaining balance. It also moves confidently across rough terrain, adapting to uneven surfaces and changing conditions. The robot is capable not only of walking, but also of accelerating using wheels, and when necessary, it can lock them and use them as support points for jumping or crossing complex obstacles. Engineers at Limex Dynamics have implemented advanced machine learning algorithms that enable the robot to independently analyze its surroundings and select the optimal movement route. Tron supports remote control at a distance of up to 50 meters. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.